Welcome to Riddles and Stories 3D, where every question has a story, and every story has a puzzle. We will take you on journeys through enchanting tales and challenge your mind with clever riddles. Are you ready to explore the mysteries that await? Let's begin. I like to stay awake at night and sleep during the day. Who am I? An owl. I am a bird, I am a fruit, and I am a person. Who am I? A kiwi. I have long neck and legs. Yes, I have wings but can't fly. Who am I? An ostrich. I can fly faster than any other bird. Who am I? A falcon. I love to dance when it rains. I like to rest on roofs and trees. I have colorful feathers and have crown on my head. Who am I? A peacock. I have wings but don't have feathers. Yes, I can't fly but I can swim. Who am I? A penguin. I fly high up in the sky. I like to eat dead animals and making place clean and neat. Who am I? A vulture. My sound gives me fame. I have long pointed wings and thin beak. I got the name from my sound. Who am I? A cuckoo. My nose looks like an axe, and I always knock on the trees. Who am I? A woodpecker. Dark omen, wings of ebony, a scavenger in flight, feared by many. Who am I? A crow. Rare and elusive, sing in moonlight, fabled creature, feathers bright. Who am I? A nightingale. Swift and silver, by the coast I play, delightful flyer, in sun and spray. Who am I? A seagull. That was a super duper adventure. If you want to see even more amazing and sparkly videos, you have to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. That way, you'll get a special notification every time we have a new video for you. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in our next amazing surprise.